The Trusty Tools stamp set, along with the coordinating dies, are so cute. And this paper is one of the free things that you can earn during Celebration right now. Now, Celebration goes until the end of February, and you can choose free products with every $50 order. So, this pack of paper with these cute prints on it is one of the freebies you can choose. So I've done a really fun little fun fold here, and I will have full pictures and all of the description of all the measurements and everything on my website. You can go to madetocreatewithlisa.com and I will have it all on there. Now I've put together a few different products here, like the deckled circle dies that I used for my little medallion there, and then I've used the paper along with the dies to cut out the tools. Here I'm just going to trim off some of those words so that it says something a little bit different than the actual stamp says. And I love that you can be versatile with your stamped images. So I'm putting this medallion together, and we'll add it onto the front of the card, and then we'll finish it off with some of our new cork gems. And these are actual cork, and they're so cool, and they're perfect for this masculine card. I really love how this turned out. So I hope you enjoy this card. I hope that you will like it and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for following along, and go ahead and head over to my website to check it out. Follow me for more tips and awesome ideas. Have a great day.